Hi everyone, this is your Ahenta Next Door, and today we are here in Brentville, Binyan. So this is one of the exclusive subdivision in this area. Kung alam niyo yung Brent International School, yung pinasukan ng mga anak ni Manny Pacquiao, ito yon. So today I'm gonna show you our Cypress single detached unit here. This is already for occupancy. So kung masettle natin ng down payment, you can move in already. For the lot area of this one, this is 403 square meters. Yung lote mo, hanggang doon, sa may metro ng kuryente. Malawak pa yan. You can still expand your unit if you want. On the side, you have your lanay. May sliding door access ka rin dyan from the inside of the house. Modern contemporary yung ating motif for this house. Pasukin natin yung loob. For this specific unit, you have one carport. Then this is your living area. 179 square meters yung ating pinaka-floor area. You have your dining over here. 6-seater table, pero you can still fit a bigger one kung marami kayo sa family. Then here's your access going to the lanay. On the ground floor, meron kang powder room. Para kung meron kayong mga guests, they can use this one. Just beside your stairs. Isa pa sa maganda dito sa unit na to, high ceiling yan. So you can put your preferred chandelier over there. And also, the natural light is going inside the house smoothly. Upon turnover, as is where is po tayo, whatever you see here, including the furnitures, fixtures, and appliances, kasama na siya sa bibilhin ninyo. This is your daily kitchen. You have staff quarters over here. Kaya lang sa ngayon, hindi natin siya mabubuksan kasi nakalock. Then dito naman, beyond this door, is your access to the service area. On the ground floor, you have bedroom. Yes po.